We're just gonna go into there and do what we do. We've been working hard this week, real detailed and focused on what we need to do and what we need to accomplish in order to come out of Athens with a win. So, I can speak for all of us. We're just focused on getting, and doing what we need to do.
What do you think about Olimpijakos? They are first in the EuroLeague.
Oh, look here. Oh, okay. All right. Say it again. Sorry.
What do you expect from Olimpijakos? They are first on table and.
Yeah, we know they're a good team. They got good players. Like I said, we're just focused on us, focused on what we need to do, our assignments, our details, everything like that. So, we had a great week and we have another great practice tonight. And I'm just excited. We're excited for the matchup.
Do you have some special advices from coach how to guard Vezenko, Fournier, and other stars?
Of course, but I ain't gonna tell you that right now. We're about to play them tomorrow, so definitely gonna keep that to ourselves and between us.
Do you know that Olimpijakos are friend clubs with Red Star, and they have connection between your?
Yeah, I've heard some rumors and some stories, whatever you want to call it, about the whatever they have. But like I said, we're just worried about us this week. We're worried about what we got going on, what we need to do, and how to accomplish those things.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.